Lisa Fry, the Catholic unschooler, homeschooler, all around schooler. There's the mister. Listen, I just got back from the airport again, and my friend Linda, that you always see me walking with, well, she is from Jordan. Can you imagine? And so we went to pick up, she is Muslim, and it's so funny. We always say, like, look at the Muslim with the Catholic. And we picked up her mother from the airport today. I was in my glory. Like, I never met her before, and she's never been in my neck of the woods. And this is her second time, I think, in America. And she had the whole outfit on, and it was just so... She could barely speak English at all. And so, like, I have to help my friend Linda because she's having a medical procedure done in the next month. And so the mother's here to stay, and I'm going to be with the mother, driving her back and forth to the hospital. And I said to her, I said to Linda, I said, tell her that she can talk in her language and I'll just talk in English, and we won't have any idea what we're both saying to each other, but we can pretend that we are. So it's going to be scary, but she's so beautiful. So beautiful. All right, so let me show you how to make a sandwich, okay? My bread is breaking. I love this bread. Oh my gosh. I get it from Aldi's. I got some sharp cheddar. I got my sprouts. Oh, I love it. This is one of my favorite things of all times. And I've never done this in my sandwich, but in this particular sandwich I have in sandwiches, I'm going to put some of those in there. And so, all right, I can't wait because I'm also going to put feta because it is good in calcium, and we got to keep these bones strong, honey. All right, I got the Dijon mustard down. I must put the cheese. All right, there it is. This one particularly falls apart. All right, and now I think I'm gonna put the feta down because that's really crumbly. There we are. Now I'm gonna put down I guess I should do peppers next. Oh, they just smell so divine. Oh my gosh, I just thought of something else. Hold on. Talk about gorgeous. These are, they call them banana pepper rings, but I call them pepperoncinis. I don't know what the difference is. To me, they all taste the same. This makes your sandwich taste like an Italian sub, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I cannot take this any longer. Okay, oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these beautiful sprouts. Oh, All right, I'm gonna take, instead of just piling everything on in a big handful, I'm gonna carefully, strategically, because we want to get a lot on there. Now, from my understanding, spinach does block the absorption to a degree, I think, from my understanding. I could be wrong about this, but it seems like every time I look up spinach, it blocks calcium. Want that to happen. Oh, some of it's rotting. Ew, 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 ew. Okay. And we are just going for it, baby. See, a lot of pieces are going bad. Let me get this right. Hold on. All right. I just love greenery. Greenery. Green. greenery. It's just too exciting, okay? Like, look, right? You just keep going and going. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, grape juice. Like, seriously? Look at it. Oh, red onion. Stop it right now. Can you stand it any longer? I mean, honestly, gorge, gorge, and gorge. I would have cut more, but this was already cut, and I just thought, let me use that. Oh, I can cry. It's so pretty. Oh, man. Bring it home to mama, honey. Look. It's so pretty. Look, it's just all magnificence. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The onions. When you get to the onions, it takes it to a whole other level. Where'd it go? So while you work, my friend, for going with her this morning, she bought me a coffee. So good. Oh my gosh. And now we're gonna go help a neighbor. See, I don't have to go into a particular job since my husband passed away. So we're being very taken care of for a while. And in the meantime, I say, go and be a blessing to other people. So I'm gonna go help a neighbor right now. You know, it's such a beautiful thing to be able to help and bless our friends, always our family, always our friends, but you know what I mean, and our neighbors. I just love it because you get to spend time with them, you know. And this particular neighbor, that's the one that Mr. Kitty goes to visit when he's on his leash. And we just cleaned out her shed. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping because I gotta go find figs. Oh, figs and sprouts. And and it's just so, and then I'll go back. Then I'll go back to help her put it all back. She's cleaning out her shed. There's a lot of stuff, half hour's worth of stuff. I'm always in the car, aren't I? Or you're eating in the kitchen. But not really, right? Like, so like my videos aren't 24 hours. So I just show you the highlights of things I really want you to know. But I'm always, you never get to see me, you know? I mean, like, you only ever get to see my head, you know? Because I don't have a big, huge tripod. And I really, what am I supposed to do? Carry that around with me? I know a lot of people do, and then they set it up. I just don't care. I just don't care. I don't even use a camera. I use my phone camera. A lot of people, that's why I don't have on anything fancy schmancy, because I do all the editing on iMovie. But I still do a great job, don't I? No. Okay, let's go. Let's go and find some really awesome food, man. I know, right? It always has to do with food. I thought I worked to this emotional eating, Lisa. All right, I just had a good idea. I have a lot of pollen on my car. We're gonna get a free car wash right now. I'm gonna go out there, wash it, and then me and Graham are gonna take it for a ride and get all of the soap off. The best boots in town. Dawn takes grease out of the way, so let's use that. All right, here we go. Oh, it's really pouring now. Woo! Get my handy dandy umbrella. Hopefully there's no lightning. Okay, I washed it. It stopped raining. So now I'm gonna take a quick drive just to like air dry all the soap off. It's not very sudsy, but I was saying, wow, I gotta clean my car inside and out. And I look at all the pollen all over my car. And then the rain came and I was like, a free car wash, and then they have a free vacuum that a new place that just opened. So ho ho ho, this is the Catholic unschooler way. Whew. All right, we got the co-pilot Graham from Gramola with me. Whew. All right. Woo! If it's free, it's for me. As I go over a puddle. That is how you do it yourself car wash. See? See? Pretty good, looking good. I love all those images that I just showed you. That's going to be in a second, but here's the plantains. You know, we do want to wash, and unfortunately, when this is being sprayed out in the fields, it is going into the skin, and it is going into the veins, and it is part of the plant. So, am I really doing myself a favor? But I love these. These are so good just to eat. Oh my goodness. Yeah. The kids like the turkey bacon, so yep. I should probably put that in there, but we're gonna try. Where are they? We're gonna try. Oh yes, they're really kind of squishy. They are. I hope I know what I'm doing. Is that like bad? I don't even know. But we're gonna give it a shot. It might be really good in the sandwich. Okay, so I'm just giving you. I even put the radish in there. I already had my share cheese today, so I'm not gonna put it in the sandwich. And coconut, cans of refried beans. I showed you this in the store. Yeah. Look at. These are all my friends. They come over for din din. Yes. If you want to consume cherries after your exercise, they said it helps you to recover. What do you think? I gotta stop. I gotta get out of here. My car is washed. Everything's done. Helped everybody under the sun. Where'd it go? So I'm trying this fig, much different than the dried ones. I do appreciate the dried ones, but this is like all this goopy, gloppy, like, it looks scary. It kind of, sort of. Doesn't really have a flavor, but boy, does it have nutrition. So I think I'll stick to eating the dry ones. Very little flavor. I'll stick to the dry ones for snacks and in my recipes, and I'll probably put these in my smoothies because I think it'll be nice and soft and squishy and it will mix in nice. You know what I need? I need to just chill out. Ugh. Oh yeah. Thanks for being here. I know, it's so crazy, right? Like, what am I doing on your TV or your phone? I'm still drinking this coffee. I'll probably be up till tomorrow. And, you know, I love sandwiches. I get to see my nutritionist tomorrow. You guys gonna come with me? It's gonna be interesting to see. With all that I'm walking, is there any loss at all? To me right now, it's all about health and losing my weight. Does the bread help me? I don't really know, but I know that it's really great fiber. I mean, that's why I stack all the deliciousness inside. And maybe one day that'll go too, you know, but I don't know. I am excited. I don't even know about what, but I need to relax. So I'm gonna go now. I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Do your body good. It's always greener on the other side. Before I go, I'm trying to let you go, but I'm so excited. I'm like, you know what? I want something refreshing. So I filled up a little ways of coconut water. That you saw me buy. The rest, you know, somewhat, a little bit, maybe a quarter of a cup for each, maybe more of, come on now, almond milk. Because it does have that calcium that we need. And I put a half a banana in. I would have put the whole thing, but I just couldn't fit it. It wouldn't fit. I'm not afraid of sugar. I'm not afraid of these deliciousness, and I'm not afraid to eat more than one a day. I took that fig that you saw. I put it in here. Oh. So Mike, you know, those are the microbes in your belly that want to eat. They're all sitting there waiting like little birdies. So Mike, little Mikes, open up your hatch. And ice and lemon zest and lemon juice. Like, oh my gosh, please be encouraged all the time. You know, you're going through this life with me. You're going through all that I have been through, and you know, just life itself, but is what I mean. You know, your life is always evolving and changing, and this is the journey I'm on right now, and I'm just so excited. All right, enjoy. Go get yourself a fun straw. These are really fun, the thick ones, and just sit back and pretend that you're in Alabama like Mama and my friend Richie, and sitting on the porch drinking their lemonade. This is sort of kind of like that, but not really.